Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to install free SSL certificate in WordPress. By the end of this video, you will have a SSL certificate installed on your WordPress website for free. So let's see how we can do it. So this is our WordPress website and today we are going to install SSL on it. To install free SSL on your WordPress website, from the WordPress website dashboard, click on plugins and then click on add plugin. Now we are going to search for SSL. So we are going to install this WP encryption plugin. So click on install now. Now click on activate. Now select allow and continue. Select the free plan from here. Now enter your email address. And after that we need to check these checkboxes. And then click on generate SSL certificate. And now we need to verify our domain ownership. We can do this with the help of HTTP challenges or DNS challenges. But I think the easiest one is the HTTP one. So let's see how we can do it with the help of HTTP one. As it is showing that download these HTTP files, after that open FTP or file manager on your hosting panel. So we will log into our hosting cPanel. I am using Hostinger, so I will log into the Hostinger hPanel. So here I am. After that I am going to select manage from here and then click on file manager from here. This is almost the same for all the web hosting. If this is your primary domain, then click on public_HTML. So now we need to create a new folder here. So from the top we are going to click on new folder. Now we will go back to our WordPress website dashboard, copy the folder name from here, go back to our hosting and paste it here and then click on create. As you can see that our folder is now created. Now we will go back to our WordPress website dashboard again, and as it is asking that create a new folder inside that folder, so we are going to copy this folder name from here, go back to our hosting, then create a new folder from here, add the name here and then click on create. As you can see that our new folder is now created. Now we will go back to our WordPress website dashboard, download these files from here. Now we will upload these files under that folder. So from the top we are going to click on upload, then click on file. So we will select the files and then click on open. As you can see that our files are now uploaded. We will go back to the WordPress website dashboard and then click on verification file. And as you can see that it's working. So now we are going to click on verify HTTPS challenges. And as you can see that our domain verification is now completed. So as you can see that we have successfully generated our SSL certificate. Now we will go back to our web hosting account. And we are going to click on manage next to our web hosting. Now from the left menu, we are going to click on security and then click on SSL from here. And as you can see that SSL is already installed on this domain. If SSL is not installed on your domain, then from the top just click on import SSL like this one. After that, go back to your WordPress website dashboard, copy the certificate key from here, go back to your hosting account and paste it here. After that again go to WordPress dashboard, copy this private key from here and then paste it here. Go back again, copy this CA bundle from here and paste it here. And after that just click on install SSL. This is almost the same for all the web hostings. If you have a regular cPanel hosting, then log into your cPanel and then search for SSL. After that just click on manage SSL sites from here. After that you need to select your domain from here, then copy the certificate from WordPress and paste it here, then copy the key and paste it here, and after that copy the certificate bundle and paste it here and then click on install certificate. And in this way SSL will be installed on your cPanel hosting. So this is how you can install free SSL in WordPress. Thank you so much for watching the video tutorial. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel.